What's going on, guys? Welcome to another quick episode of Adventure Off-Road X. My name is Steve, and you know, this Winrock trip was awesome. We're out there with the ultimate off-road field trip, which was really cool. I got to meet some really cool people, and it was an awesome time. Before you guys see the videos, this is just a really short clip that I just wanted to share with you all. So, two things happened. One, I kind of banged up the Gladiator a little bit. I'll get more into it when the video comes out, but yeah, Warhawk got a little damage, so we got to get that fixed. But another thing happened. So before the trip, I decided to go out and get a DJI DJI Mini 2 drone, and I flew it for a couple times and thought I was a pro myself, and found out real quick that I was not a pro. I was out there filming at Winrock, and yeah, I caught some leaves off a branch, and it inverted and drove it straight down into the rock. Not only did I lose the drone, but I also lost all the film that I shot, because the memory card was destroyed as well. I mean, it got it pretty good. Doesn't look like it as much, but it got it pretty good. And I'll show you guys what that thing looks like in a minute. But either way, I just wanted to throw a quick one out there, a little teaser, I guess. The Winrock trip was awesome. We had some great times. I hung out with some great people, and learned a little bit, you know. So again, let me show you what this thing looks like. It's broke a little bit, and the camera is broken here, back. So yeah, it's seen better days. So you can see I got it pretty good. So I don't think that's fixable. The plus side is I bought it at Best Buy, and I opted in to pay the $199 yearly warranty. It's supposed to cover pretty much everything as long as you have it. So we're going to go down there. So we're on our way right now to Best Buy, and hopefully everything goes right. I already checked to see if they had it in stock, and they do have one in stock, so that's a plus. We'll go from there, but keep you guys updated. I'm definitely going to be taking this thing out and maybe practice a little more. I almost took out one of the guys there, Jeremy. Yeah, he didn't know what was coming down. But anyways, guys, I just want to get on here and just, like I said, give you a quick one, and talk to you later. So we just got done with Best Buy, and I got my new drone. I'm pretty stoked about that. So if you haven't got the new warranty, it's like $199 a year, and you have to pay it every year. But everything you buy from Best Buy is all covered under the same policy that has a warranty. And let me tell you, it costs $79 to get a new drone. That's not bad, considering I would have had to come out of pocket, you know, $600, almost $700 after tax. It's definitely not bad. So I'll definitely be doing that. So it cost me $79 to get a new drone, and the new drone is covered under the same policy that I already have in place. So it's actually pretty cool. But again, after I get the hang of this thing, I'll do a review of it. I was supposed to do an unboxing, but I didn't get a chance to, so maybe I'll just unbox this one as my second one. But guys, take it easy, and I'll be talking to you in the next one. Later. So we're off to one more stop. I called my sponsor over at Phillips, Chrysler and Dodge here in Ocala, Florida, and called them about my mirror because it's seen better days, and they got me one in stock. So I'm off to Phillips right now to grab my new mirror because trying to see how this one isn't working too well, but it's kind of working out, man. Can't say thank you enough to those guys over there at Phillips. Derek is always went above and beyond. Matt, he's the guy that originally sold sold me the Gladiator. Appreciate it, man. Wouldn't be able to do this journey without you guys. And again, man, it's all about the relationships, you know. But we're gonna get in here and get my new mirror and get her all put on and get her down the road. Alright guys, so we are here at Phillips Chrysler Dodge here in Ocala, Florida, and we're getting a new mirror. Like I said before, they had it in stock, which was awesome. My guy Derek here is always helping a brother out. So let's see if we can get this thing put on. Hey guys, so I'm here with my boy Derek. This guy is always looking out and taking care of me. So
as much as you break stuff, I got to.
But got my mirror. Can't say it enough, man. I really appreciate it. Get this thing put on and down the road, dude.
Yeah. So you break the next one.
Well, hopefully I don't break another one like that. Like that was crazy. But either way.
Yeah.
Guys, if you need anything service-wise for your Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, give this guy a call.
For the tall, goofy guy that's losing his hair.
Yeah, that's Derek. So just come in and demand for Derek.
That'll work.
He likes that.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
But if you need a new car, you gotta talk to my guy Matt. Matt, he's your guy. So, guys, take it easy. And
nice meeting everybody.
Until next time, enjoy your journey.